How to create a poll on Snapchat. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Snapchat app. Go ahead and do that. Now, to create a poll, all you have to do is randomly click a snap. Then, in your right hand side, you will see the sticker icon. Tap on it. From here, select the poll option. You can ask a question regarding the poll. Here I have simply typed dogs or cats. And there you have it, the poll has been created. If you want to change the poll icon, you can just tap on the icon and select a different emoticon. Now once you're happy with it, you can just send this poll as your snap and people can vote it from this poll. If you do not have this option, just go ahead and follow up this next step. First and foremost, open up your phone setting, scroll down and tap on apps. Go to all apps, select on the option of Snapchat, then force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. This is to fix the bug issue. Next, open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Snapchat. Now if there is an update for your application, just leave it for an update. If not, you need to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for the video.